In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure in Adobe Express. If you've ever found yourself nudging elements around and hoping they line up, this walkthrough will give you a clear, reliable way to measure and align your design with confidence using rulers and guides inside the Adobe Express editor. Start by opening the project you want to work on in the Adobe Express editor. Once your canvas is visible, we'll bring up the on-screen measuring tools. Go to the top menu, click File, then choose Rulers and Guides, and select Show Rulers. You'll see a horizontal ruler appear along the top of your canvas and a vertical ruler along the left side. These rulers mirror your document's measurement settings and give you a precise visual reference for where everything sits in your layout. With the rulers visible, you can create guides to mark exact positions and measure spacing. Hover your cursor over either ruler, the top if you want a horizontal guide, or the left if you need a vertical one. You'll notice an add icon appear. Click, hold, and drag from the ruler onto your canvas to drop a guide where you need it. Release to place it. Think of guides as temporary markers that don't print or export. They're there to help you align elements, set consistent margins, and check distances at a glance. For example, to create a clean margin, drag a vertical guide to a specific tick mark on the top ruler, then do the same on the opposite side. You'll instantly see how much room you've set on either edge. If you're building a balanced layout, add a horizontal guide to mark the visual center, then align text or images so they sit perfectly on that line. You can add multiple guides to create columns, rows, or spacing grids. If you need to fine-tune a guide, drag it along the canvas until it lines up with the exact measurement you want. Zooming in can help you place guides precisely on the ruler marks. As you move objects around, watch how their edges meet your guides and the ruler ticks. This lets you verify spacing between elements without guessing. A consistent gap between guides or between an object edge and a guide is your quick, repeatable way to measure. That's all you need to start measuring and aligning in Adobe Express. Open your design, show your rulers, and drop guides right where you need them. With these tools in place, your layouts will be cleaner, your spacing more consistent, and your designs easier to polish.